This is the News on 20 with Clarence Ponsler. This is the News on 20 severe weather alert.
What's up, News on 20? I'm Clarence Ponsler. Today I'm going to show you some severe weather coverage on this 8th day of August 2011. Right now, we are just barely missing the tornado warning that is issued by the National Weather Service in northern Indiana. It affects the northeastern part of White County and the northwest portions of Cass County. Now, I live, and where this video is recorded is about a mile or two south of where the tornado warning is. And as you can see the storm directly northeast of here. Like, this camera is facing northeast, and you see there's some ominous black clouds, there's some thunder, and there's some lightning, and the winds are starting to pick up. So I'm gonna be out here recording some video footage. And I'll record until it rains here, so I don't get really wet. You can see the leaves falling down. Nice good old breeze. Okay, you can see the hook on radar where the tornado or funnel cloud would actually form. You can see a little bit of rotation, so if you live in southeast White County, northwest, let me take this back. Southeast, eastern White County and western Cass County, take shelter immediately. Now, after I put this on YouTube, it becomes a distant memory, but I'm practicing my meteorology broadcasting skills to the test out in the field. You can see that cloud is rotating. Like I said again, here we're barely missing the tornado warnings, like a mile or two north of here and a mile or two east of here, which is affecting eastern White County and eastern White County and western Cass County are the areas that are going to be affected by this tornado warning. Thank goodness I'm still recording. Look at those awesome clouds in Nice classic supercell thunderstorm that just popped out of the Illinois-Indiana state line and moved basically eastward and then southeastward. Starting to feel a few drops of rain right now. Feel a nice cool breeze. You want to see the upper part of the storm, here it is, right here. And here's the southern edge of it. Take some good footage of this storm. Show it to all the people here on YouTube. Just to know about the whereabouts where Monticello, Indiana is in relation to Lafayette, Indiana, Chicago. It's 45 minutes northeast of Lafayette, northeast of Lafayette. So roughly 30 miles northeast. About 90 to 100 miles northwest of Indy. And about 100 to 120 miles southeast of Chicago. Just to know the whereabouts of Monticello, Indiana. And from where the camera is points about 1 to 2 miles east, and that's where the storm is right now. Who was that? Must have been in front of Mike's. Okay. Okay, so we barely missed a severe supercell that prompted a tornado warning. And I get to see it east of my house. And that's it for this edition of the News on 20. Clarence Sponsor saying, have a nice day, or if it's not time. Goodbye.